Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jung Lee, and today I brought my first Saint Laurent wallet to unbox and review with you guys. I actually received this item as my birthday gift from my boyfriend last weekend, so thank you. Let's unbox. This is purchased from a Korean department store, so I think they just give it to you in this bag. I don't know what material this is, but I believe it's a paper bag with some vinyl that is pasted over it. It's very sturdy, and according to my boyfriend, this is also waterproof because he bought it in the rain. It has the name on it, so you open it like this, and they give you in this box. I believe the materials are the same of the box and this shopping bag. Initially, there were ribbons around the box, but I took them off to open the box beforehand. So the wallet I got is a monogram flap wallet in grain. So let's see. It's about this big. You open it and there's a dust bag inside. They also give you this. It has a receipt inside. And they also give you this one. I haven't opened it. This small envelope. Open it like this. I think it has some information. I think it has some information of the bag and other details that you would like to know. Maybe in different languages? Yeah, it's in different languages. French, Spanish, Chinese. Well, no Korean. Oh, the wallet is in this dust bag. Let's open it. Ta-da! The dimensions are 7.4, 4.3, and 1.1 inches together. This is 100% calf leather skin. I believe this is made in Italy. 100% calf skin leather. So I know this is kind of weird, but you can smell it, and I love the smell of it. If you know what I'm talking about, I'm sure you'll love it as well. It's got gold-toned metal hardware right here that are intertwined with YSL initials. And this flap is snap button fastening. So you can just snap it open like this, and you can also snap it close. So when you snap open the flap, it looks like this. This is the inside. So when you take a closer look at it, there are two big bill compartments right inside. 12 card slots in total, and 6 card slots on each side. Six in the front and 6 in the back. Like that. Yeah, there are also 2 receipt compartments, one in the back and one in the front. So I believe you can just kind of store other important papers like receipts in the back slots or the front slots. And these are the bill compartments, and there's one coin compartment in the middle. The zipper is not as smooth, maybe because I haven't really used it yet. I was told to use it religiously, but I'm still very careful about this wallet. This is like as big as my face, kind of. So I read many reviews on this wallet online, and the tear and wear are very hard to find. As you can tell, it's very sturdy. Now, this wallet is pretty big, right? And so for those of you who are wondering if you can put your phones inside, I want to say yes. I am currently using iPhone XR. I'm actually recording myself with this, so I can't really show you. But without my cell phone case, I can actually put it in one of the bill compartments here, and a couple cards, maybe not coins, and I can actually close pretty well. It'll get pretty like thick like this. I tried putting in like a lip gloss or a lipstick, but I think it will depend on how thick your lipstick is. Mine was relatively thick, so it kind of like, the wallet kind of bulged out this way. I was able to close it, but I had to like snap this button, which I was kind of scared of. So I would recommend that if you want to keep your phone and a lipstick, find something that is kind of thin and small so you can put everything inside. Now, if you're asking for pros and cons of this wallet, the pros will be the size, right? It can carry so many things in it. In fact, it's just a little smaller than like wallet and chains. I'm actually thinking of turning this into a wallet and chain by adding some kind of chains inside my wallet here and maybe like carry it around. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to order my chains online. So if I do turn this into a wallet on chain successfully, then I'll make another video on it. But so far, this is good. So that'll be the pro of this wallet, and the sturdiness and how long this wallet actually lasts. Now the con will be the size. And yes, these large flat wallets have been out of style for a while because I think the trend has been moving to smaller wallets to carry around in your purses or just throw away into like a smaller bags. So if you are a person who carries around small purses, this might be too big. But I usually carry around big tote bags or like backpacks, and I have lots of cards to carry around and bills. Since I live in Korea, I buy things on the streets pretty often, so this will be perfect for me. Now, last look of the wallet. Now, it's only been maybe less than a week since I started using this, so I can't really give you an honest review on the tear and wear about this item or how useful it is and how much I like it. Maybe in a year or two I'll come back after using this for a while. But if you have any questions on this wallet, this item, the way it was purchased, and other things that you would like to know in detail, you can leave comments down below and I'll make sure to answer your questions. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and I'll come back with more.